freaking hideous right now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hold up, my lens are kind of dirty. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell button to get notified every time that I post a new video. But if you guys can't really hear me, it's because I have my AC in the back on. It's freaking hot. I have D'Angelo sleeping right now, and then I have my favorite YouTuber in the back, xoxo, you already know. So in today's video, I'm just going to do like organize my vanity, clean my vanity with me type of video, because today I woke up in such a cleaning mood. I literally cleaned up my whole house. I mopped, I did everything. My room smells super fabulous. So I was like, you know what, might as well film a video cleaning up my vanity. And then if I look like freaking a mess right now, I am super sorry. It's because I've been cleaning and I don't like to, you know, get all ready when I'm cleaning, because why? For what? You start to sweat and everything. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be dealing with. So this is how my vanity this is how my vanity currently looks, and this is how I look right now. Is my brightness too high? Alright, let's do it there. Okay. Ignore the missing light bulb right there, and ignore the two other ones right there. Your girl didn't want to go to the freaking store to buy new light bulbs for my restroom, so I just stole them from my vanity. These are my brushes. I'm going to fix these right now, and I have all my lips, like my lip liners right here. And I'm just going to clean up everything. Look at it, like it's such a freaking mess. I also brought some Clorox wipes because I'm going to wipe down everything. I also bought some Windex so I can spray it all around because it's a little dusty. I have to organize this. I have to organize all this crap. Like, I have random shit in here that I don't know. Like, who keeps their Apple Watch charger in here? And I also have a lot to organize in here. I actually need to start like buying these bins so I can put under here, but we're going to be moving soon, so there's like no point in that. And I have my son's little basketball court right there. So yeah, we're just gonna organize, put stuff away that does not belong here, aka my camera cases and all that crap. But before we get started with today's video, I actually want to show you guys something freaking cool. Face you guys like this. So y'all know, oh, this is a bad angle. So you guys know I love to shop off of Amazon. I recently bought these freaking eyelashes from them. Oh my god, you guys. I bought, this is a 20 pack. I believe it was 16 bucks. I'm not sure, but I'll link it down below just so y'all can go check it out. And no, this is not no sponsor. I wish I was sponsored by Amazon. Shit, I'm just kidding. Look how cute the packaging is, like a little holograph. But you guys, these are like mink lashes. I'm going to show you all of them, all the styles. Look at this. All of these freaking lashes. And these are super cute. These are my favorite. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look. There you go. Look how freaking pretty that is. They're super wispy. These are also some other ones. I'm going to get ready today, so stay tuned for the pictures. These are also super freaking cute. Just to show you guys like a oh my god, show you guys these ones. Let me just get a pair out. They sent me 2 pairs of the same style. Look at you guys, super freaking cute. These ones right here, oh my gosh, these are actually pretty cute. I don't know which ones I'm going to use today. Super. Oh, these are so cute. And the packaging, A1. These are very light. I like them though. A very natural look, if you will. These ones, super cute. Oh my gosh, I freaking love them. These look, you guys, come on. You guys can't go wrong with Amazon lashes. Super natural. They're super natural. And the band, you guys, they look super good quality as well. The band looks super thick and comfy. I'll let y'all know though once I get ready and all of that and I have them on. I'm actually going to film another video after this video. I'm gonna get ready and film a mukbang probably for you guys, so stay tuned for that video. I'm going to upload this video before that one though, because that's how it goes. It's 12:16 and I'm trying to get ready already like around 1 or 2 o'clock, so let's get cleaning. First, I'm just gonna get started with this whole drawer. I'm going to put all my lashes. This is usually my last drawer, but for some reason I don't know how all of this crap ended up in here. I have freaking acrylic press-ons right here, and you see I have like a random box that does not even belong in there. Oh my god. So these lashes right here, I actually ordered them off of Amazon as well, like freaking 6 months ago. And as you guys can tell, I have not used a pair because I just don't be doing my makeup like that. So here comes the part where I freaking overthink cut stuff. I don't know if I should keep them like this, like standing upwards, or should I just like lay them down like that. I don't know, you guys. This is hard because, you know what, I'm just gonna leave them like this. They look more cleaner like this, right? All right. So I am all finished. This is how it turned out. It looks the same, much cleaner. It was super dusty. Let me show you guys first in the first drawer how it looks. So I ended up leaving my lashes like this, you know, upwards and all that. Here's my lash case, more lashes right here, and then I put my beauty blenders, more beauty blenders in the back. There's some tweezers, lash glue, a spoolie, and then there's like my fake nails back there. On this side, of course, my makeup. I ended up switching it over. At first it was my my palettes and all of that stuff on this side, and then this side was on that side. So I have my palettes right here. I have this highlight. I was gonna put it right here because, you know, OCD, but I had to put it right here because if that doesn't go there, my freaking drawer ends up coming out. So this is like a little, whatchamacallit, like a stopper, I guess. I don't know. But here's another eyeshadow palette, and I have little palettes right here. I have more like my powders, and then like lipsticks back there, translucent powder, some other lipstick, and I have my eyelash curler, my foundations and concealers. I have a sharpener, my sharpener in here in the little bag, and then here's my favorite blush by Tarte. Now I have all of my brushes right here. I just pretty much left it how it is, and then I just decided to keep my camera case and my camera cover right there. I was like, why not? I have nowhere else to put it and it's easy to grab. And then right here I just put some, I believe, I'm not even sure what I put in. Oh, mascaras in this little bag. And then right here, I ended up putting all my hair clips right here. Like I just attached them to this little tray. And then right here as well, all my other hair clips, perfumes, and I put my my Q-tips right there for whenever I mess up my makeup. I just grab one. I put my my makeup brush cleaner, like when I'm doing my eyeshadow, my contacts, of course, and I ended up putting all of my jewelry. As you guys could see in the freaking video, it was everywhere, so I just ended up putting it in this little bag. And that's pretty much it. Finally, it's been a while. My poor vanity was getting a little dirty. And then right here is all the trash and all the makeup I don't use. I just put it in a bag. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified every time that I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.